Hello everyone. Today I discuss about class 11th English. Three question by Leo Tolstoy. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 1ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରି ସାରିଥିଲେ। ତ ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆମେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 2ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା। ଯେଉଁମାନେ ବି ୟୁନିଟ୍ 1ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଯଦି ଦେଖିନାହଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 1ର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ଅପଲୋଡ଼ ହୋଇସାରିଛି, ତ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ଦେଖିନିଅ। ଦେନ୍ ଆଜି ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା ୟୁନିଟ୍ 2ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍। ଟାଇପିଂ ସରିଯାଇଛି। यूनिट 2 Where did the king meet the hermit? How did the hermit receive the king? The king wore simple clothes to meet the hermit in the wood, which was his permanent abode. The hermit's meeting was only confined to the common folk. However, he received the king as usual. There was not a touch of extraordinaries about it. After greeting the king, the hermit kept on digging the ground in front of his hut. Second, how did the king help the hermit? The king saw the hermit digging the ground single-handedly. The old man was weak and pale and skinny. He seemed exhausted. The king took pity on him and kind he was. He wished to lend a helping hand to the holy man. He took the spade from his and dug the ground himself. Thus the king helped the hermit. Third, how did the king nurse the wonder stranger? Answer. As soon the king saw the wounded stranger, he along with the hermit opened his clothing. He carefully washed and bandaged the large wound in his stomach with his handkerchief. Yet the blood kept on flowing. Therefore the king again and again removed the bandage, soaked with blood, and washed and bandaged it once again. At last blood stopped flowing. The injured man came to his senses and asked for water. The king rose to associations at last. He along with the hermit carried the wounded stranger to the hut. Then next, यूनिट टू लास्ट क्वेश्चन पे यूनिट टू चार्टा क्वेश्चन अच्छे। तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड द वांटेड पर्सन डिजायर टू सर्व द किंग एज हिज मोस्ट फेथफुल स्लैव? आंसर प्ले, द वांटेड मैन हैज डाइड हर enemy of the king. The king had executed his brother and confiscated his property, so the man wanted to take revenge by killing the king while he was paying visit to the hermit alone. But the way with which the king nursed him and saved his life moved the man. It was unbelievable. The hostility he had matured for the king vanished. His need was filled the reverence. Therefore, the wounded person his desire to serve the king as most faithfully servant. लेकिन यदि तुमको स्क्रीनशॉट नंबर अच्छी तो नहीं जाओ कि तुमको यदि पीडीएफ এই क्वेश्चन आंसर पीडीएफ तुमको डाउनलोड करवार अच्छी तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करो। मु पीडीएफ लिंक कमेंट सेक्शन या डिस्क्रिप्शन में पिन करदेवी। तो आ गोटे भिडियो थ्री क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो थ्री क्वेश्चन चैप्टर यूनिट 3 खाली बाकी रहा आउ दुईटा क्वेश्चन अच्छी। भिडियो भल लगे भिडियो को लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करो। एतकी पर्यंत जो मैंने भी भिडियो देख लो थैंक यू सो मच। तो पे आम यूनिट 3 दुईटा क्वेश्चन अच्छी यूनिट 3 दुईटा क्वेश्चन अच्छी तो आ गोटे भिडियो करहबनी तो गोटे भिडियो सारी देवा तो देखी दियो।